stock is a share in the ownership of a company. So it is always represented through a stock certificate. What is the difference that stocks and shares is? Shares can be issued directly, but stocks cannot be issued directly. At par means both the market value as well as the face value are equal. So therefore, if face value is 100, market value is also 100, and the interest will be taken as rupees 10. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in today's session, we are discussing about the chapter Stocks and Shares. So basically in this chapter, we will be discussing only about the stocks and shares. You have already familiar with the definition of stocks and shares in your daily life. So let's see what is the definition of a stock. So we have a stock. A stock is a share in the ownership of a company. So it is always represented through a stock certificate. So whenever you want to start a business, you need a large amount. So you are inviting few peoples to share your investment. So those shares can be done through a stock certificate. So the profits also been divided through the number of persons which you have taken. So therefore, stocks and shares literally means if a man purchases a bond of rupees 100 at which 5% interest has been fixed by the government, then the holder is said to have a 100 rupees stock at 5%. So what is the necessary of a stocks and shares now? So to start a big company or anything, you want to start your own business. So you need an investment. So for that, you will invite few people to start a company together. So the company issues a prospectus and invites public to subscribe for the shares, and also the capital is divided into equal small pots called shares. Now what is the difference that stocks and shares is? Shares can be issued directly, but stocks cannot be issued directly. A company which is handling the more number of shares is nothing but a stock. So here shares need not be fully paid, but stocks must be fully paid. Next, what is nominal interest or dividend? So after investment to start up with a business, you might get few profits or extra income. So those incomes are divided whoever have shared to start a company. So that profits are sometimes paid out in the form of a dividends. So next we have the nominal and market value of a share. So the original value of a share is called as the nominal value, or sometimes it is also called as the face value. So whenever the price at which it is selling, when you sell a share, that is called as the market value. Now, let's see the relation between the market value and the nominal value, that is the face value. So when the market value of a share is higher than the nominal value, it is said to be at premium or above par. When the market value is equal to the nominal value, it is said to be at par. When the market value of a share is less than the nominal value, it is said to be at discount or below par. So when they are equal, it is said to be at par. When market value is greater than the nominal value, it is said to be at premium. If it is less than the nominal value, it is called as discount. Now let's take few examples here. 8% stock at 125. So what do you mean by 8% stock at 125? That means the face value of a share is rupees 100 and it is sold at 125. That is the market value, and the nominal interest obtained for this share is rupees 8 because we calculate the share percentage for rupees 100. Next we have 12% stock at 20 premium. Premium means market value must be greater than the nominal value. So for a rupees 100 face value, the market value will be rupees 120 and the interest or dividend whatever you will get, it will be rupees 12. Next one, 7% stock at 10% discount. So discount means market value must be less than the nominal value. So 7% discount means the face value will be 100 and market value is 90, and you will have an interest of rupees 7 here. Next we have 10% stock at par means. At par means both the market value as well as the face value are equal. So therefore, if face value is 100, market value is also 100, and the interest will be taken as rupees 10. So here we have a note which is very important to solve problems related to stocks and shares. Now, whenever the nominal interest or dividend is always declared on the face value. So whatever the face value you will take, the nominal interest or dividend is always calculated on the face value, not on the market value. And the face value of a share can be rupees 2, rupees 5, rupees 10. But if nothing is specified in the problem, always take the face value as rupees 100, because we will calculate interest for rupees 100. So necessarily you have to take the face value of rupees 100 when nothing is given. Next one, MV. Whenever they give you the words like MV, it means the market value. FV means it is face value. Now let's take up the problems. First question, what income can be obtained from rupees 8,000 of 4% stock? Let's see here. Here we have a face value and here income. Always the interest is for face value. So therefore, let us take the face value as 100. So then you will have an income of 4 rupees. Now, if your face value is 8,000, what is your income? So therefore, income will be equal to cross multiply 8,000 into 4 divided by 100. So cancel. So you will get the value of 320. Therefore, that is rupees 320 is the income. Next one, how much stock can be purchased by investing rupees 9,600 in 3.5% stock at 120? So this is investment, so we can consider it as the market value, and let us take here face value. If the face value is 100, we are selling it for 120 rupees. Now we have already invested 9,600 rupees. So what is the face value? So therefore, amount of stock is equal to 9,600 into 100 divided by 120. So cancelling all and multiplying the value, we will get it as rupees 8,000. Next one, how much does Maya realize by selling rupees 30,000 stock at 20 discount? So, if my face value is 100, my market value is rupees 20 discount, that is 80 rupees. Now, if my face value is 30,000, how much is the market value? So, I need to calculate here. So, therefore, money obtained is equal to 30,000 into 80 divided by 100. So when you multiply, the value will be equal to rupees 24,000. Next question. Ayush buys rupees 10,000 stock at 96 and sells when its price rises to 102 rupees. Find his gain. So first he will buy the stock and later he'll sell the same stock or share. So while buying, let's take the face value and the market value. So if the face value is 100, so the market value is 96. So, and if it is 10,000, what is the market value? So therefore, cost of stock that he has taken will be equal to 10,000 into 96 divided by 100. So the value is 9,600 in terms of rupees. So this was the cost of stock. Now while selling, We will take the face value as well as the market value. The face value was 100. He sells it for rupees 102. And if it is for 10,000, what is the market value? So, money obtained will be equal to 10,000 into 102 divided by 100. So, cancel, you will get it as 10,200 in terms of rupees. Now, we will find the gain. So, gain is, so he sold it for 10,200 and he has taken it for 9,600. So, therefore, rupees 600 is the gain. Next one, what is the market value of 12% stock when an investment of rupees 6,900 produces an income of rupees 720? So, now let's see the market value here, and here it is income. So, the investment was 6,900 and its income was 720. So, if it is a 12% stock, that means we have 12 rupees as a interest or an income for what is the amount of stock we have to calculate, or what is the market value we have to calculate. So, therefore, the market value will be equal to 6,900 into 12 whole divided by 720. So, cancel. So, after cancelling each term, we will get the value rupees 150. Next question. Sanjana invests rupees 3,240 in a stock at 108 and sells when the price falls to 104. How much stock at Sanjana now buy? So, let's see the first one, stock that she obtained. That she is investing 3,240 in a stock of 108 and sells when the price falls to 104. So, therefore, it will be, if the face value and the market value is like this, it is 100, 108. She has invested 3,240. So, we need to calculate. So, therefore, stock obtained is 3,240 into 100 divided by 108. So, the value will be equal to 3,000 rupees. So, now this is what she obtained. So, after obtaining the amount, she then sells it for 104. So, therefore, amount received by her. Amount received by her will be, so that is equal to 3,000 into 104 divided by 108. So, the value will be rupees 3,120. So, now this is what the amount she has been received. Now, one more stock that Sanjana can buy. So, the stock Sanjana can buy. She has an amount of 3,120 and it is equal to 100 over 130. So, the value will be equal to rupees 2,400. Next question. A man invests equal sums of money in 4%, 5% and 6% stock, each stock being at par. If the total income of the man is rupees 3,600, find his total investment. So, he has invested equal amounts of money for 4%, 5% and 6% stock. So, let the investment be X. So, what we can consider? So, 4% of X, 5% of X and 6% of X will give rise to the income of 3,600. So, how I can write? 4 by 100 of X plus 5 by 100 of X plus 6 by 100 of X will be equal to 3,600. So, when you solve this, you will get it as 15 by 100, X is equal to 3,600, or X is equal to 3,600 into 100 divided by 50. So, when you calculate, the value of X is rupees 24,000. Now, this is X. What is the total investment? That is, he has invested 3 times the same amount. So, therefore, total investment will be equal to 3 into 24,000. That is equal to 72,000 in terms of rupees. Next question. Ramesh has invested rupees 4,300 partly in 4.5% stock at 72 and partly in 5% stock at 95. If the total income from both is rupees 250, find the investment in both type of stock. So first let us take the amount he has invested for both and income he has taken from both. Now let's see. So amount. So if we invest amount for the first one as X, then for the second one it is 4,300 minus X. Because the total income of both will be 250. So if he has invested rupees X for the first one, then he has to invest 4,300 minus X for the second one. Now let's see about the income. Income is 4.5% of 72 of X. So therefore it will be 4.5 divided by 72 into X. And for the second one it is 5% stock at 95. So therefore it is 5 by 95 for the rupees 4,300 minus X. Now they have given the total income from both is 250. That means 4.5 by 72 X plus 5 divided by 95 into 4,300 minus X is equal to 250. So now solving this, we will get this as X by 16 plus 4,300 minus X by 19 is equal to 250. So 19X plus 16 into 4,300 minus X is equal to 250 into 16 into 19. So after solving 19X minus 16X, we get 3X. And here multiplying and shifting to the right hand side, we will get 16 into 4,750 minus 4,300. So X is equal to 16 into 4,750 minus 4,300. You will get the value as 450 divided by 3. So on solving this, we will get the value as 2,400 rupees. So therefore, the amount he has invested for 4.5% stock is 2,400. So therefore, for 4.5% stock, amount invested. Amount invested for 4.5% stock is X we have taken. So that is equal to rupees 2,400. And for 5% stock, we have taken it as 4,300 minus X. That means 4,300 minus 2,400. That is equal to rupees 1,900. Next question. Sukanya holds rupees 8,000 of 3% stock. She sells it at rupees 110 and invests that proceeds in 5% stock. Thereby, her income increases by rupees 260 and the market price of 5% stock. So first, verify for 3% stock. Next, we will take it for 5% stock. Now, let's take case 1. So we have face value and income. If the face value is 100, then the income is 3. And if it is 8,000, what is the income? So therefore, income will equal to 8,000 into 3 divided by 100. So 240 in terms of rupees. Now again, she sells it for rupees 110. So therefore, face value and market value we have. If the face value is 100, she sells it for 110. If it is for 8,000, then what is the market value? So therefore, it is equal to 8,000 into 110 divided by 100. So we will get 8,800 in terms of rupees. Now, let's see for the 5% stock, that is case 2. So now, whatever she has taken, the amount here, she invested for 5% stock. So therefore, amount invested here is rupees 8,800. And total income what she will get here is, for the first she has get the income of 240, and for the second income they have given that she has increased her income by 260. So therefore it is 240 plus 260, which is equal to rupees 500. Now we have to calculate the market value. For that she has got the 500 rupees as her income. So therefore, if the market value is 8,800 rupees, her income was 500. So now since it is at 5% stock, her income is rupees 5. So let's see the market value. So therefore the market value is 8,800 into 5 divided by 500. So cancel this, 5 get cancelled. So therefore it is rupees 88. So the market value was rupees 88 if her income was 500 rupees. So the next question, Prateek sells out rupees 6,000 of 7.5% stock at 108 and reinvest the proceeds in 9% stock. If Prateek's income increases by 270, what price did Prateek buy 9% stock? So now let's see what is the amount invested by him. So our amount obtained by selling the stock is equal to 6,000 into 108 divided by 100. So cancel this and multiply. The value will be equal to 6,480 in terms of rupees. Now we need to calculate the income. So income is 7.5% stock for the face value. That is, it is 7.5 divided by 100 and the face value is 6,000 rupees. So therefore it is equal to rupees 450. So now they have given the income is increased by 270. So therefore what is our new income? New income will be equal to 450 plus 270, that is equal to 720. So therefore what I can write here, income is equal to divided by the amount into cash. Now we have the new income as 720. So divided is 9, amount we don't know, and the cash we got is 6,480 rupees. So therefore amount is equal to 9 by 720 into 6,480. So therefore you will get the value as rupees 81. So in today's session we have discussed about the problems on the face value as well as the market value. We'll meet you in the next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.